Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing the area and making the bolt accessible. Apply penetrating oil to the threads and let it soak for 10-15 minutes so it seeps into corrosion. While it soaks, select the exact socket or wrench size. A snug fit prevents rounding. Once done, position a breaker bar for steady leverage rather than jerking. Make sure you have firm footing and can apply steady force. This reduces the chance of stripping the head or damaging nearby components. You now attempt to break the bolt loose using controlled torque. Place the breaker bar and pull slowly. Sudden force can snap a weakened bolt. If it resists, tap the bolt head sharply with a hammer to jolt seized threads. This often breaks surface rust. Once movement starts, back it out a few turns, then reapply oil and repeat if needed. If movement is minimal, apply moderate heat to the surrounding metal for 30-60 seconds, then let cool slightly, and try again to expand and loosen binding. You finish by removing the bolt fully and inspecting threads for damage. Clean them with a tap or brush before replacing. If the head rounded, use a bolt extractor. Drill a centered pilot hole, insert the extractor, and turn counterclockwise to remove. Once out, install a proper replacement and apply anti-seize or thread locker as appropriate for the application. Troubleshooting tip: if the bolt snaps and the stud remains, consider stud removal tools or welding a nut to extract, and seek a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.